While on the My Orders landing page within the Customer Portal on the Nelson Labs website, click on the Submit Samples Request a Test button to launch the sample submission form search page. This page allows you to create a new sample submission form or locate any previously created and saved sample submission forms. The bottom of this page will display the last 25 sample submission forms created. You can also scroll through the last 100 forms using the arrow buttons above and below the right side of the sample submission form list. The sample submission forms list displays the sample ID, sample submission form number, PO number, quote number if applicable, date the form was created, and the status of the form. The status of the sample submission form indicates where the form is in the process. Draft indicates that you have saved the form but have not generated the final PDF. Draft allows you to save the information and return to complete the form at a later time. The sample submission form list can also expand to view tests requested on the form without actually opening the entire form. Each form in the sample submission form list has action buttons where you can edit a form, copy a form, or generate a PDF. Generating a PDF from this page allows you to generate and print many forms quickly. If you do generate a PDF from the search page, you will be required to click the Service Terms and Conditions box at the bottom of the search page. This checkbox represents your signature legally authorizing Nelson Labs to complete the testing as indicated on the sample submission form and that you agree to our service terms and conditions. If you cannot locate the sample submission form in the list at the bottom, you may look for your form using the fields on the top portion of the search page. You can locate any form created within the last 2 years using the available fields such as the sample submission form number, test code number, test description, PO number, quote number, and sample ID and lot number. There is also a date range option to search any form within a specific time frame. After setting your filters, click the Submit button, and any sample submission forms within the parameters you have set will appear below in the sample submission forms list at the bottom of the page. This search will only look for forms generated in this online system. If you cannot locate a sample submission form or need help with this online form process, please contact the Nelson Labs Service Center or your sales representative.